Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna make fritters. We're gonna make fritters Jamaican style. So we're gonna use some saltfish, flour, bell pepper, onion, spring onion. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna make fritters Jamaican style. So guys, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube page, please hit that notification bell and please share and like the video. Selvin Kitchen have a lot more recipe coming out. Thank you guys for support me and keep on support me. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna fry fritters. So we have 2.5 cup of plain flour. We have half of green bell pepper. We have quarter of a red bell pepper. We have quarter of an orange bell pepper. We have half of cut up white onion. We have 2 stalk of spring onion. So this saltfish I already wash it already pick it up. So I'm gonna use 1 pack of boneless saltfish. We have some oil we're going to use, some black pepper, all-purpose season. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're going to fry fritters. Hi guys, so the basic we're going to do, we're going to put in the bell pepper. So the bell pepper, the spring onion and the onion. I'm using no garlic today. Then this saltfish, 1 pack of boneless saltfish. I already wash it and pick it up already. So I get everything out of it. So 1 pack of boneless saltfish. Get a mix. So I want to mix in all of that bell pepper, that spring onion, the saltfish. So now I'm going to add in my flour. Gonna add in a all-purpose season, 1 teaspoon, a little touch of black pepper, so give that a mix. So I just gave everything a mix up. So I want to mix in a lot of flour, a lot of saltfish, a lot of bell pepper, a lot of spring onion. So mix up everything like that. And then for the third step, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna make fritters. So this dough on this saltfish and everything like that, we don't want it too dry. Have it look a bit runny. And mix in everything. I'm using plain flour today, so when you're making fritters, we don't put baking powder or baking soda because it sucks up too much oil. We don't want too much oil in our fritters. A little bit more water. Add a little bit more water to it. So I didn't add no salt to it because I put in a teaspoon of all-purpose season, and I did wash the saltfish already. But the saltfish have a little bit salt in it, so I didn't add no salt to this. I'm gonna make that rest for around 5 minutes. So I done rest the flour for 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in a small portion. Selvin Kitchen today, guys. Frying fritters. So every day in Selvin Kitchen we have something new. So guys, this has been frying for the last 2 minutes. I give it 2 minutes on each side, then I turn it over. So you don't want to give it no more than 2 minutes because you don't want it burn on one side and the next side don't cook. So you want to cook it and fry evenly. Be careful of the oil. People, look at that one. So now I'm just going to spin them over. Give this one another 10 seconds. Yeah, look at that, people. That looks beautiful. So guys, this one finished now, so this is going to take out this one, drain off the oil. So I give them 3 minutes on each side, then I give them another 10 seconds. And the people. So I'm just gonna add in another portion. Another portion of fritters. So this adds 6 in the first portion. You don't want to make them too big. It's gonna take longer to fry. Yes people, that's fritters in Selvin Kitchen. So if you're watching my video and don't subscribe, people, please share and like the video, and please subscribe and please share and like. People, this is my fritters. Gonna flip this one over. So one and fry evenly on the both sides. So one crispy brown color we're looking for. So this one already finished already. Look how this one beautiful. Having the saltfish, the bell pepper, the onion, the spring onion. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is my fritters with the saltfish, with the onion, the bell pepper, all-purpose seasoned little black pepper. So this is all finished. Look at that brown crispy color. My god, I cannot wait to have some of these, people. So in Selvin Kitchen we always have something new. So please subscribe, please share and like, and please check out the channel for the rest of the videos them. So I will see you guys in the next video, and please keep safe. Selvin Kitchen.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.